Joining us for a summit short talk on Rail Transformed, how Parallel is automating and advancing freight. Please welcome Founder and Chief Executive Officer for Parallel Systems, Matt Soule.
Thank you, everyone. I'd like to start by sharing some numbers with you. $1 trillion, that is approximately how much the US spends on surface freight transportation each year. Trucking, railroads, pipelines. Railroads have an advantage of being very cost effective, very energy efficient. They can carry lots of weight. And when we move more freight by rail, we decongest our highways. We reduce the wear and tear on our roadways. Now, it may surprise you, though, that trucking has the lion's share of that market, $800 billion. And it really comes down to service. This is where rail falls short. It's only about $80 billion a year, 10% of the trucking industry, because it has the burden of, through its legacy, of requiring massive scale. And as a consequence, the service and flexibility can lack compared to trucking. So we started Parallel to solve this problem. We are developing the technology to overcome some of these service quality barriers. We are specifically developing autonomous electric rail that meaningfully has better service quality and flexibility that addresses more of what shippers want. And just by simply moving more things to rail is inherently cleaner. It's 75% less energy per mile to move more freight by rail. So we are a very lean startup, insanely talented in Los Angeles, about 50 people. Myself and many of my other colleagues used to work together at SpaceX. And we're very motivated to conquer an even harder problem than space travel. How do we fix railways? So our solution is full stack. We develop hardware, and specifically, it's a self-contained vehicle. There's no locomotive required. It's battery electric. The sensors, compute, radios are all on board. A number of things are very unique about it. We don't have conventional couplers. The software that we develop allows these vehicles to work together in formation we call platoons. But we can rapidly break apart, reroute, provide better service to customers. But a lot of the technology is not the hardware, it's the software. So we are also developing the onboard intelligence. This is perception that observes the rail environment and evaluates, is it safe to move forward? We also have onboard telemetry that's monitoring our sensors. So we have instantaneous ability to respond to any telemetry that does not look safe. And what is probably not known to many people is railroads are centrally managed. It's like air traffic control for the entire network. And our software integrates into that environment. And so we allow ourselves to operate alongside conventional freight trains, but we're coordinated from that central office. And by providing the visibility, the sensing, the localization, as well as the control authority, we're basically building the internet of freight. And this is not just a series of PowerPoint slides. This is something that is real right now. We are operating in Georgia. We are operating one vehicle right now. We're scaling up to 3 vehicles later this year. We're on our Gen 2 platform. And we have done extensive testing across the US at MXV in Pueblo. And our software, onboard perception, our software that integrates with the railroads is working right now. And to share a little bit about where we are today, besides operating in Georgia with Genesee and Wyoming, we are looking at scaling this opportunity in Georgia beyond just this initial pilot. This is first to verify and validate the safety controls that we've established with this technology, but this is also to create inland ports. So our focus is containerized freight, but really this is a platform that can carry any heavy loads, minerals, industrial products. And we're proud to be showing this vehicle tomorrow in front of the Department of Transportation. So if any of you who are staying in DC, please come check us out in front of the DOT tomorrow morning. We'll be in front of the DOT on New Jersey Avenue. And the last thing that's exciting to share is that we are developing our 3rd generation vehicle, which we're going to production right now. And thank you very much.